Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z9908XX. Only 38,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Patriot Blue metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box. Overhead. Power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon and a city average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.